Hi, this is Outwards. Welcome back to another episode. I hope you're fine and doing well. So, first of all, I want to thank all of you for your love and support. I just crossed 100,000 subscribers on my channel, and it's all because of you. You guys are the ones that have been sharing the videos. You guys are the ones that have been obviously watching the videos and subscribing. So this is something that I'm really proud of. It's not an easy task to run a quality content channel on YouTube. Like you have to invest a whole lot of time on recording, video editing, scripting and things like that to produce videos on weekly basis. I've been doing everything on my own till now, but I'm planning to hire a video editor to do the hectic video editing job for me, which will obviously give me some extra time to invest in drawing and recording stuff. But all of this will happen after I achieve my first goal on Patreon. So anyways, silver button is on its way and I will definitely make an unboxing video on that. But for now, I'm going to unbox some newly bought art supplies. And one of them is on a whole new level. And I really want to share my excitement and unboxing experience with you guys. So let's jump right in the video. Okay, so the first thing I want to tell you about is the Staedtler Mars razor, which I bought for $5. It's an eraser pencil with a brush on the end. The basic purpose of this brush is to clear the eraser crumbs from your drawings without having to touch them or clear them with your hands. It's made up of these soft nylon bristles, but I think they are a little bit loose. You can see this movement of bristles inside this silver ferrule. And oops, this one came out. Anyways, it's not an oil painting brush, so we can't judge it on the basis of its loose bristles. So let's see the other side. The wood quality looks good, and this eraser tip is also hard enough to bear this much of pressure. So first of all, I'm going to try this on graphite pencil shading. I'm using this Pentel Graph Gear 500 with HB LEDs for shading. There's no specific reason, I just love shading with mechanical pencils. Okay, let's try and erase these shades with a razor pencil. Looks great. Oh I broke the tip. I think it was already cracked by the pressure I was putting with my finger. Anyways, I'm gonna sharpen this again and give it another chance. I'm using this 2-year-old Faber-Castell sharpener which came inside those 48 classic color pencils. I always sharpen with a craft knife, so never bought a sharpener intentionally. Talking of the craft knife, let's try and sharpen it my way and see what happens. Great, craft knife works better with this razor. Okay, let's compare this razor with my Mono Zero razor and see which one works better. I've used this Mono razor in almost every artwork I ever did, so it's the most important tool in my life. So let's see if this specific razor can take Mono's place in my life. I don't think so. I think Mono razor works better in this case. There's a noticeable difference between the size, or you can say thickness, of each single line. And also this eraser crumb or dust is too much for even a single race. It won't last longer than a month. Another minus point is that you can't refill this pencil like a Mono Zero razor, which means you have to buy another pencil when this one ends, which is not an economical thing for a person like me. So honestly speaking, I think this eraser isn't worth $5 because you can get a Mono Zero razor or any other mechanical type razor for less than $5, which makes this a very non-economical product. So I'm gonna give this product 2 out of 5 stars. And let me know in the comments what you think of this product. Okay, the second product is Woodless Graphite Pencil Set, which I bought for $2.7, and it's a Chinese product. Obviously, as the name suggests, woodless means they don't have a wooden cover outside the graphite. It's a whole thick and large piece of graphite, as you can see here. Manufacturer name is Dongku Art, I don't know what it's called, and it's a 6-piece pack ranging from hard to black graphite. So let's open this up and see which graphite grades are included. Okay, I have these smooth and shiny woodless graphite pencils, and these are really heavy in comparison to an ordinary wooden pencil. And I think there are 2 HP pencils here. Let me arrange them in order real quick so we can check what's wrong and which one's missing. Okay, so we have these 2 HP pencils, a 2B, 4B, 6B and 8B, all even numbers. And as I said, there's a duplicate of HB instead of a 2H. Anyways, let's see the other side. Nothing special, just a sharp end of a whole graphite cylinder. And you can even get your hands dirty by touching these sharp ends. Okay, let's grab a paper and test them out. Starting with an HB. Looks smooth. I think the graphite percentage is high in these pencils, because most of the cheap pencils here feel so rough when you shade with them. But this one's really good. I mean, I didn't expect this from these cheap woodless graphites. So let's test the other ones. So far so good. Oops, this one broke in the middle. And that's exactly the reason why you can't trust a Chinese product. Okay, let's complete the shading process with this first hop. Shadings are really good. I mean, I can really feel the awesomeness and shading quality of this product, but I'm equally disappointed by its slow strength. Anyways, I use these Derwent's graphic pencils for my artworks, and these are one of the most awesome pencils I've ever tried. So now I'm gonna compare the shades and see what's the difference between a woodless and a wooden graphite pencil. Okay, there's a huge difference between both the shades. These woodless graphite shades are basically darker than the wooden graphite, which is not a good thing, you know. You don't always need darker shades in your drawings. Sometimes you have to add lighter base layers in our sketches. And that's exactly the reason why they designed those different hard and black pencils. But I think I can use them for large scale background shadings, you know, like I did for these artworks of mine, but with a smaller tip, which was really a time consuming task. So now I can use these thicker graphite pencils to speed up my background shading process. So I'll give this product 3.5 out of 5 stars, because they are coated with this lacquer which can prevent your hands from getting dirty. Anyways, let me know in the comments what you think of this product. Okay, now it's time to open the most awaited product, the electric eraser by Tenwin, which costs about $4 here in Pakistan. And as you can guess from the name, it's also a Chinese product. You can see everything is in Chinese. But I found this product on eBay and it cost about $5 or so. I will drop a link in the description for those who want to buy this product. So let's open this up and see how it looks and how it works. Because I never used anything like this before. It's the first time I'm gonna use an electric eraser and I'm so excited. Okay, the design is really simple with a single push button in the front. And wait, what? Why it's not working? I think it's a defective piece. Let me check what's inside here. Oh. Okay, I'm back with these AAA 1.5 volt batteries and let's unpack and put them inside our electric eraser. Oh yeah.
It's a lie! It's a lie!
Okay, let's put the cover on and test this out. Oh my goodness, this thing is really awesome. Can you hear the sound? It's amazing. I've never seen an eraser like this before. Perfect. Let's extend the shade and try to write something. Wow, awesome. Okay, now I'm gonna test the eraser on these Faber-Castell's colored pencils and see what happens. Perfect, this thing is too awesome. Using it on a contrasty shade. Amazing. Let's try the black one. Holy crap, I'm in love with this eraser. Awesomeness is overloaded. So anyways, let's compare it with our Mono Zero erasers. A round mono eraser worked really well, but its shape is pitiful. Let's try the rectangular one. Same as the previous one. Okay, time to do some magic. I knew you will rock it. Let's do the same with the black color. Clearly the electric eraser is winner in both the cases.
Another thing I like about this razor is the fast refilling process. And the inside grip of this metal thingy is really nice. Let's put a new one inside. Perfect. So I'm gonna give this product 4.5 out of 5 because it also has a negative point. Like you can't recharge this device, you have to replace the batteries with a new pair whenever they dies. So I can't give this 5 out of 5. So anyways, moving on to the next product, which is also a part of this product. Basically I bought these razor refills from different art store, but the manufacturer is same. But I don't know what's the purpose of this hole here. To hold the box or to put a pen inside and play with it. I don't know. Please let me know if you have an idea what is this for. So let's open this up and test the product. The size, shape and quality look similar to the ones which came with the electric razor pack. Let's put them in our razor machine and see if they fit in. Perfect. What else do you need when you have an electric razor with lots of refills? Okay, now the last set of razor which I bought for $5 is similar to the first one, but the manufacturer is different. And also the price is 4 times less than the Staedtler. These specific razor pencils are manufactured by Faber-Castell and the manufacturing country is Germany. But they have the same loose brush problem like Staedtler. And the rubber end is also the same like Staedtler. So let's compare them with Staedtler's razor pencil and see which one's better. They both look same to me. Do you see any difference? Let's try them on color pencils. Again, both the results look same to me. What's the difference? Why this Staedtler razor is so expensive? Anyhow, I will give this Faber-Castell razor 3 out of 5 star because it's economical in my opinion. Let me know what you think of it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please consider supporting me on Patreon if you want some extra content every week, or even if you want me to keep making this type of useful content on YouTube. And don't forget to follow me on Instagram for more tips, tricks and BTS content. Again, thank you so much for 100k subscribers. Keep supporting, keep learning, keep drawing, and I'll see you on Saturday with an amazing portrait tutorial.
हाथ तो नहीं आया होगा मेरा देखते हैं अगर हाथ आए तो बहुत फर्क लगेगा नहीं हाथ आ जाए तो हाथ आएगा तो बहुत फर्क लगेगा